now let's see the base. The base is PU, and this system is a V loop. This system will give you a very best price. Its price is not reach $100. The PU thickness is medium, and it is very soft. Now let's see the knots. You can see the hairline is very natural. And the PU is very transparent. You can see it, right? Now it is in my hands. You can see it. It is very natural, like our skin. Now let's see the inside knots. You can see it is very natural, right? You can see any knots. And this system density is heavy. You can see many hairs, right? And the hair length is 15 centimeters, and the base size is normal. Normal size is front to back. Front to back is 10 inches, and side to side is 8 inches. If you need other size, you can cut. And this is curl. You can leave it. You can cut this. Adjust your size. This system is very worth. If you like it, you can contact us. You wear it, can use tape-on glue. This system is very best, and its price is also best. If you like it, you can contact us. If you like this color, you can make a cigarette shot. You like which, you can give a picture. This system is our stock. We can ship immediately if you like it. Okay. It is very economic, and the quality is very good. The price is very best. If you like it, you can contact us. The hairs is very good, right? The quality is very good. I believe you will love it. Okay, today we introduced this system. If you like which, you can contact us. If our stock, we can ship immediately. If you like a special system, we can make a customer. Okay? If you like which, you can contact us. We will answer you immediately. Okay? Today, our limb will finish. See you tomorrow. Bye.